Good morning, students. Geography chapter 7 Lifelines to National Economy is going on. Already we have attempted the 7 topics. Today, the 8th topic is airways. Students, in this video, we will discuss about the air transport. First of all, we are going to discuss about the importance of the air travel or airways in our country. The air transport is the fastest means of transport in comparison to the land transport and water transport. It is the fastest. In very short time we can travel the long distance. It is the most comfortable means of transport. It is the most prestigious means of transport. It is the question of dignity, matter of dignity. Whenever a person travel in the airways, so people talk about the air travel when they travel in airways. Air travel also cover the difficult terrain very easily, like high mountains area in Jammu Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, etc. We also cover the desert areas where we cannot reach with roadways and railways. In such areas we can access with the help of the air transport. In dense forest areas also we can reach with the help of airways. The long oceanic stretches areas can be covered by the airways, and the operations also, seashore operations also take place with the help of airways in such areas. Take the example of northeastern states. The northeastern state is marked with the presence of big rivers like Brahmaputra. Many big rivers are flowing through the northeastern states, and these are dissected reliefs. There are the hilly areas, deep valley areas. So dissected reliefs in such areas, it is not easy to make the roads or lay down the railway tracks. These areas receive high rainfall, so there is a dense forest are found in these areas. International frontiers, Myanmar, Bangladesh and China are the countries which share the international frontier with India in northeastern states. These areas also face the floods frequently. So these are some problems which are faced by the northeastern state regions. It is not easy to construct the roadways and railway track in these areas. So let us imagine a situation. If we are not having the airways, how will we assess? How will we able to cover these areas? Imagine the situation of the local people of northeastern states, how they will travel from one state to another state. Only air travel, only airways has made access easier in the northeastern states, because there are so many problems like presence of big rivers, dissected reliefs, dense forest, international frontiers and floods. So many problems are facing by in these areas. To provide the food and the arms to the army. We also need some means of transport in these areas. Only air travel has made access easier, has helped us to do such activities. Now, the air transport was nationalized in our country in 1953. The first train was steamed up in 1853 and air transport was nationalized in 1953. Today, different services are there. Air India. Air India provide non-domestic means Air India provide international air services. To go to foreign countries, mainly we use the Air India services. And Indian Airlines, its subsidiary alliance is known as Alliance Air in India. It provides domestic air services. Its operations also extend to the neighboring countries of South and Southeast Asia and Middle East. But for rest of the international countries we use the Air India. एयर इंडिया इंटर सर्विसेज के हम एयर इंडिया यूज करते हैं, डोमेस्टिक सर्विसेज के लिए इंडियन एयरलाइंस यूज करते हैं. एंड देयर इज वन मोर ऑपरेशंस ऑफ द पवन हंस हेलीकॉप्टर. पवन हंस हेलीकॉप्टर लिमिटेड प्रोवाइड्स helicopter services to the oil and natural gas corporations in its offshore operations in India, mainly in the northeast states, interior parts of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. They all depend upon the air travels or air services. But air travel is not within the reach of common people. Traveling in airways is costly. That's why for common people it is not easy to travel in this airways, in this transport. It is only in the northeastern states that special provisions are made to extend the services to the common people. It is costly. So how the northeastern states peoples are benefiting from the airways, how they are using the airways? Their economic condition is also not good because government provide air service on the subsidy. That's why Indian government provide air service at very lower cost in northeastern states. That's why people are able to use these services in these areas. That's all for today, students.